June 7th. We are here by Taloga, Oklahoma. The boys got started yesterday and combined a little bit over 400 acres, and they didn't start till 2. So today we got started around noon, so we should be able to get that much, if not more, done. But me and the two little munchkins came out to the field to ride with Daddy, and then he had to go help move us to this next field. So he's out helping the trucks get into the field and stuff. So we are running combine right now. So that is what we're doing. But yeah, should wrap up this farmer within the next day or so, and then we have one more down by the Putnam area, and then we will be off to Kansas. Hello, I'm on my way back from checking some fields south of Putnam. The boys up in Taloga ran into some wet wheat. They have about 150 acres left up there, so they're just gonna leave one combine up there and bring 2 back to the Putnam area. So I ran south of Putnam because the farmer thought that field would be the first one ready, which all the heads that are ready are definitely ready. But the only issue is with the drought, you end up with sucker heads, and we do have some of them on the field too. So hoping that there is not too many of them in the field and they can get going on this farmer tomorrow. So we will see, and I will give you an update tomorrow. See you later. June 10th was just going to give you an update on Neumiller Harvesting. On the 8th, we ran up to Enon, Oklahoma. Michael and Kim are up there, and Logan, Danica, me, and Cole and our families ran to Enon to go out to eat with some case reps and our salesman from Can Equip. And we went out and ate there, and then the boys went over some of the automation on our 9250s. And then all of our hired help ended up going to Oklahoma City that day with Finalizing Harvesting to have a day away from the campers. Since we have had so many off days, everybody goes crazy sitting at a camper doing nothing, especially the Enon crew had not combined yet as of that date. But yesterday we got rain in Putnam, so we were unable to go. So our boys just washed pickups and stuff like that around here. But the Enon crew did get in the field. I don't know exactly how much they got done yesterday, but they are going strong today. They missed the rain last night too. We did end up with a little bit of rain here in Putnam, but Logan did take off with a couple of guys to Taloga to go try to finish up his. And Cole just took off just a little bit ago with one combine to go out to the field here by Putnam to try it and see if it's ready. Another harvester did try it around our field yesterday, and it was 16 something. So hopefully with that little bit of sprinkle last night, hopefully it's not too wet. It is very hot out today, so hopefully it will go. We will let you know if they do end up going or not, and hopefully we can get going here because Kansas is getting ready faster than we need it to.
Today is June 10th, and it has been a busy harvest day. This morning I started off in the camper making lunches, doing laundry. Then Tulio and I went to take some of our cows to the vet. Got that accomplished, turned them out at their pasture, dropped off the trailer at the in-laws, helped my father-in-law move to his field, then got a phone call from Dylan that I needed to run to Fairview and get some parts, so I did that, came back, hopped into the combine, and Dylan had to go fix a brake pod on one of the trucks, so now I'm still in the combine. Called Pizza Hut, and so it is a Pizza Hut kind of night. Dylan's going to go pick it up on his way back to the field. And we're going to get this one whacked out pretty quickly within the next 5 minutes, and then we'll be moving on to the next one.
Karlie Neumiller, Neumiller Harvesting, June 12th. On the 10th, we were unable to start combining due to the moisture only getting down to 16. Yesterday, it was hot, but very humid in the morning, so due to the humidity, the moisture did not drop until later on in the afternoon, but they did get going yesterday. Logan did finish up around Tologa, and Cole started around here at Putnam. Eating crew has been going for last few days, and now today, on the hottest day of the summer so far, my husband Cole just called me and said we will be moving to Jet, Oklahoma tomorrow. So I had to get all the pool, slip and slides, spikes, all the kids' stuff packed up and put away, so we're ready to move tomorrow. So that's been a process and a half today. And I also decided to wash bedding in all our beds today because we will have a hired hand having to move into the back of our toy hauler and sleep in Kyler's room for a couple of nights due to us only needing one guy, and that job should only, hopefully, take us a few days. And then we will be moving up to Pratt, Kansas, and meet back up with everybody. So hopefully we all start wrapping up here in Oklahoma. My in-laws, Roger and Renee, are on their way down from North Dakota. They stayed home to finish planting due to our wet year, and now they are on their way down. They are halfway through South Dakota already, so they'll be meeting us in Kansas too. So I will give you more updates as the time goes on. See ya. June 13th, we are off to Jet, Oklahoma. We have 200 acres left here in Putnam. Logan will be staying back here to finish that up, and we are off to Jet to do a job there quick before we head to Kansas.
Today is June 13th. Just finished up with our farmer north of Alva. We're heading to a farmer south of town. This is Dylan here. tadpole.